These are the jogging tracks fitted with AC. The AC is coming from here. These are the AC vents, and these are the amazing jogging tracks. Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, you are watching WIZLAMAR vlogs, and for today I'm just here at the new Gharrafa park, which is the newly opened park, and I came here to do a preview of the place so that we can get to know more about this place, how it looks like, the features around here, and so much more. So keep watching until the end so that you get to know about this place. In case you are new, make sure that you get subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So let's take a look around guys and see how this place looks like. Here we go guys, and as you can see, the area has got nice bicycle track. This one well painted until to the end. Also going this side, it's a wide area. They've got nice bicycle track, and that's a kid playing area. You'll never miss this one here. In case you have your kids, that's the best to go. So let's look at this kids playing area over here. Aje bro, Covid. They have got the best kids playing area here. That's amazing. Nice place for the kids playing area. The place has got lush greenery. As you can see, it's a cool place to come and chill with your friends and everyone. It's quite big, the area. People are chilling out here. Over here are some shops, but they're still not yet to be open. I think soon they'll be open because this place is still new, so it will take time for this one to open. Maybe in a coming few weeks they'll be operating. So these are the shops around here where you can buy some snacks and some stuff like that, maybe coffee and so on. So these are the shops around here, still closed, but they're going to open soon. So that's the area. It's called Gharrafa, Gharrafa Park. There are two Gharrafa, one for the family, and this is the open for public. So guys, as I told you, there are two Gharrafa Park. Don't get confused when you are looking for this one. This one is called Gharrafa Park, and the other one is called Gharrafa Family Park. So don't get confused guys. This is the newly opened Gharrafa Park. So if you want to come here, just check for the Gharrafa Park on your Google map, something like that. So let's continue guys. This is a fitness zone area. So they have got also a fitness zone place where you can come and do some workout. The place is really cool, guys. You should take a visit here. If not now, maybe soon or later, you should come here. The place is open for everyone. It's a new park. I think you must come and experience it by yourself. So this is the fitness zone area where you can come and chill, do some workout during your free time. So let's continue exploring to the other side. So guys, let me just take a rest here for some minutes as I enjoy the area, the view of the area. It looks beautiful, guys. Let me show you from behind here. So this is the area at large, as you can see from behind there. It looks beautiful. Talk about the parking, they have also got their own parking here where you can come and park your vehicles, so you'll never miss a parking space or a parking lot. Also down to the other side there are also some parking lots. I'll show you when I'll be going out. So let's look at another feature, and here we go. These are the jogging tracks fitted with AC. The AC is coming from here. These are the AC vents, and these are the amazing jogging tracks. I've been to so many parks, but I've never seen something like this, the one which you are seeing here. So many parks here in Qatar, they don't have this feature. So this is the only feature which makes this park unique from the other one. Very nice jogging tracks. I think this one, it is the only feature which makes a lot of people to come here and have a look of this place or experience it by themselves, because it is the only park, as I told you, here in Qatar with this kind of jogging tracks or the walking pathways fitted with AC. And it is also good because when it is in the summer it gets hot here, so with this kind of fitted AC in the jogging tracks, it is better. It helps a lot. So this is the place, guys. It looks beautiful. Let me show you from here. So that's the place, guys. It looks beautiful. These are the washroom here. You can come and help yourself, and think you have seen the place, guys. The place is really amazing. It looks beautiful. So you must come here on your next visit. These are the dustbin here provided, so do not litter, guys. When you're coming here, maintain the hygiene of this place. So guys, this will be the end of our video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and let me see, or let me hear in the comments below if you're gonna pay a visit at this place. The place is really amazing. I think you have seen for yourself how it looks like, so I hope you're gonna pay a visit here, guys. Thank you so much, and we shall continue in our next video.